We have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 in the Under Armour Edition, and we're going to run through what differentiates it from the other Active 2s.
She tells me I need work. 75% of my goal has been completed.
Samsung and Under Armour are working really hard and trying to shine in the fitness coaching arena, fitness training.
I have completed 25% of my goal. I should really keep it up.
Yeah, so one limitation already, if you want to get one, it doesn't have LTE, and you know we are big fans of LTE. The one we have is a 44mm. We also like bigger ones, bigger watches, and it comes in at $329 US. So what it does do is tells you kind of an in-depth real-time coaching. It uses your data you collect via your run on your watch, and then it kind of recommends something.
Keep going. Cadence is now in the target zone
Towards you, and we're really interested in what the end result is, and does it really help you achieving your goals.
We also don't just want to do a press release and tell you all the specs, etc., and what you can expect. We want to do the actual testing for you.
Absolutely, and design-wise, really, it is pretty much the same, from a couple of unique features that can only be found on the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 Under Armour Edition, and that one of the features is that really, I like that watch face. It's designed and inspired by an Eclipse, apparently. And it also has Map My Run integration, a heavy integration, and you can access that application really from your home screen.
Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2 Under Armour Edition. And you know what it's like after Christmas, and I want to say 6'2" really hides some weight, and for some years it did. But when it starts creeping up in one area, then really 5 kilo become more visible. So my goal is to use this watch, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 Under Armour Edition, and lose 5 kilos, right? Especially after Christmas. So you basically start tapping from the watch face, Map My Run. This is the Under Armour logo here. Okay, so the watch face itself, you have your calendar on the left hand side, you have your Under Armour logo on the right hand side, and you press that Under Armour logo, and you go straight into Map My Run. So once it is in the app itself, it tells you on the left hand side up here that the satellite has been found, the green one, this is the green icon. On the right hand side, you will see there's a small shoe. You can connect your Under Armour shoes to the watch, and I set a goal already. A goal is 10 minutes run, and I enabled every single kind of feedback there is possible, whether that is vibrating display or form of audio coaching, and I want to really see if that is possible with the Under Armour watch.
Oh my, what a day. We are looking at rain, we're looking at wind, we are looking at horrible blustery conditions.
Yeah, the best thing is I'm the guinea pig, I'm the one who has to go outside, but then I'm the one who wants to lose the weight.
Okay, so just told me Cadence is below target, and I should really take shorter steps. And I got my Spotify back to work. I've got music on now. I hit the halfway point, and she's telling me, well done. Although I'm walking now because I'm so incredibly unfit. Cadence is now in the target zone. Man, if I can give you an advice, stop eating, stop playing games, go out, do some jogging. This is killing me. She tells me I need work. 75% of my goal has been completed. Oh, heart rate 170 beats per minute, so I should really slow down.
Okay, you've seen that footage now, 170 heart rate. Wow. I don't know if that is real and true.
I'm honestly not sure, because the most we usually get on the Apple Watch or the other Active 2s actually is around 145 at the very max.
It is high. It is high. I don't know, but I did eat a lot and I didn't go running for a while, but it seems really high, and I don't know if that is the case. So we're gonna have to monitor this moving forward.
So how did it go?
So it was incredibly useful, though, I have to say. There was a few niggles at first with the Spotify playlist, but which isn't connected to the Under Armour Edition. It told me pretty much everything I needed to know. It told me how many steps I was going. It told me regular cadence when I was below target in order to hit the 10 minutes. The goal I set me, then it told me I had to take like shorter steps but faster. So it really told me exactly what to do and when to do, and it told me the heart rate as well, which was pretty cool because apparently I had a 170 heart rate
So I only did 940, but it's the first time I've been running in a long time, since you've probably seen our other videos. Distance is only 1 kilometer, but again, it is pretty much the very first attempt to run again and burn some calories. 160 calories is probably just one piece of chocolate we had over Christmas, right? So this is gonna sync with the app on the phone. So day one concluded pretty strong. I just for the watch, not for me, because I am not really fit. But that's the whole purpose of getting something like this, right? In order to get fit, and maybe it does motivate you more than just going running, because it did tell me a lot of things I didn't know before or wasn't aware of before. And let's see what day two brings tomorrow.